Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BLERF token. Name of the token is BLERF, and that is also the ticker symbol. This token in the past 24 hours is up 111,000%, doing insanely well in the past 24 hours. It is trending number 4 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. The token just came out within the past 24 hours as well. Brand new token. Obviously, this is a play off of the very popular, Slerf token, which was orange. And then, of course, they changed the color to blue for the base chain, and now we have BLERF. So we're going to go over the information on the BLERF token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter right in the corner of the screen here at BLERF_official. 2,723 followers. They just joined Twitter in March right here. It has a link to their Telegram right on their Twitter as well here. They have 15 posts so far. And in some of their recent tweets here, they've just submitted a request to be listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And you can check out their CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko request ID numbers there to verify that. They are on Gecko Terminal, so there's a link to view them on Gecko Terminal here. And DEX Scan URL, all sorts of links there that you could check out in one of their most recent tweets there. And you can find this token listed on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And like I said, it is trending on DEX Screener right now, doing very well. And yeah, so this token is on the Basechain. So you can get this token off of Uniswap. If you go to their webpage, blerf.live, they do have a how to buy section. They have the contract address there. And it says 0% taxes, so you're not going to have to worry about slippage. So first of all, you're going to need a wallet, like a Coinbase wallet would be very fitting because, Basechain. But you could also get a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. And basically, you would fund that wallet with ETH, and then you're going to bridge your ETH. So you go to a link which is on their webpage, bridge.base.org/deposit, and you would bridge your ETH from the Ethereum network to the Base network using that bridge link. And then you go into Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, blerf.live, you would trade your base for the BLERF token using that contract address. Now, if you didn't understand what I just said, go to blerf.live, follow the steps on there. It's going to make it a lot easier there. But yeah, basically that's how you'd get this token. So their official Telegram is at BLERF on Basechain, and they have 2,811 members. 201 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more about the project and talk to other community members and see updates and things like that. The Telegram would be a great spot, and then also their Twitter that I mentioned is a great spot for updates as well. So they post things on their Twitter like, we just attained an all-time high at $1 million. Ask us, what more do you need to know? Don't forget, we launched just hours ago. We're just getting started. Also, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap fast-tracked applied. BLERF to the moon. BLERF just got launched, and we're already a project with high potential. It isn't hard to identify that we may make 1,000 times, so potentially, of course. And yeah, so brand new project, all sorts of tweets here about just being launched, basically. They do have a link to their ownership renounced. So they renounced ownership recently, and you can verify that on their Basechain link that they just posted. You can check that out there. So you can find this token basically on Basechain as well. Contract, address, and DEX screener chart are in their very first tweet from around 20-something hours ago that you could go check out there on their Twitter as well. So the BLERFonomics are on their webpage, and the BLERF story. So it says, in the bustling blockchain of Cryptoville, BLERF emerged as a new meme coin on the block, inspired by Slerf's Did I say Flurf earlier? I swear I said Flurf or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's too many coins out here to remember all these names. I don't think I said Slerf. And I did a whole video on this token and Slerf with hat and many other tokens with that name and still forgot. That's my brain. Anyways, inspired by Slerf's success on the Solana network, BLERF aimed to carve its own path on Base, known for its speed and efficiency. So BLERF's creators envisioned a coin that would not only capture the fun essence of Slerf, but also outperform in the market success. They chose a Base for its rapid transactions, hoping to attract a wider audience with the promise of swift and secure trades. As BLERF began to ascent, it quickly became a community favorite, a token that symbolized both the joy of Slerf and the ambition of its creators. It was a coin that danced through the ledgers, bridging a smile to the faces of those who encountered it. In the end, BLERF did more than just exist alongside Slerf. It thrived, proving that even if the competitive world of cryptocurrency, there's always room for a coin in your heart with the joy and spirit of innovation. So it says LP is locked for 200 years, no tax, ownership renounced, total supply 10 billion tokens, and on Coin, DEX Tools, it says they have a $4.29 million market cap already, $245,000 in liquidity on Uniswap, over 2,600 holders, 24-hour trading volume, $6.85 million. And they have a couple quick audits also that you could check out on DEX Tools. If you go over there, they have some quick audits. You should review that, and hopefully they come up with a full audit you can review as well. This token is up 128% in the past 24 hours, trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. So go check it out. I'm also going to be posting today a couple other Basechain meme tokens that are trending and doing very well. One of them is Basechain, ticker symbol Benji. So check out that video. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.